Hello everyone, welcome to Technologymedia channel. Welcome to this video on the network layer. In this video, we will cover the functions and devices of the network layer, addressing, routing, and protocols. The network layer is an essential part of the OSI model and is responsible for the delivery of packets from the source to the destination. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Functions and devices. The network layer is responsible for internetworking and uses various devices such as repeaters, hubs, bridges, switches, routers, and gateways. These devices provide the necessary connectivity between networks and help in the exchange of data between devices. Repeaters and hubs are used for connecting devices within a network, while bridges and switches are used for connecting different networks. Routers are used for connecting networks with different protocols and provide the necessary intelligence for forwarding packets to their destination. Gateways are used for connecting networks that use different communication protocols. Addressing and subnetting, 2 hours. The network layer uses IP addressing to identify the devices and networks connected to the Internet. IP addresses are 32-bit addresses that are divided into 4 octets separated by dots. There are 3 classes of IP addresses: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Classful addressing is the traditional method of dividing IP addresses based on their class. However, with the depletion of IP addresses, subnetting has become necessary. Subnetting is the process of dividing a network into smaller subnetworks. Routing. Routing is the process of finding the best path from the source to the destination. The network layer uses various routing techniques such as static and dynamic routing. Static routing uses a manually configured routing table, while dynamic routing uses a routing protocol to automatically update the routing table. Routing protocols such as RIP, OSPF, and BGP are used to exchange routing information between routers. Unicast and multicast routing protocols are used for sending data to a single recipient or multiple recipients, respectively. Routing algorithms and protocols. The network layer uses various routing algorithms to determine the best path for data transmission. Shortest path algorithms such as Dijkstra's algorithm and Bellman-Ford algorithm are used to find the shortest path from the source to the destination. Flooding is a routing algorithm that floods the network with data packets until they reach the destination. Distance vector routing and link state routing are other routing algorithms used by the network layer. The network layer uses various protocols such as ARP, RARP, IP, and ICMP for address resolution, routing, and error reporting. In conclusion, the network layer is an essential part of the OSI model and is responsible for the delivery of packets from the source to the destination. It uses various devices, addressing, and routing techniques to ensure that data is transmitted efficiently and reliably. Understanding the network layer is critical for network engineers, administrators, and IT professionals who are responsible for designing and maintaining network infrastructure. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video on the network layer.